Ardenne High is represented this evening by Team Captain Dante Wright, Sean Dyer, Jada Wadsworth, and Javante Hunter. While St. Mary's College is represented by Gabrielle Valentine, Team Captain Ronaldino Edwards, Sashin Patrick, and Shanake Ewan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 9th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Ardenne High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Ardenne High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Once I have that time on the clock, we'll begin Ardenne with history. In what month and year did Barbados gain independence?
Barbados, Barbados. November 1966.
November 1966.
Correct. History for St. Mary's College. In what month and year did Suriname gain independence?
September 1975.
September 1975.
Close. November 1975. International Affairs, a visual one for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Yeah, mine. Elizabeth. Oh? Katerina Sakellarypoulou.
President of Greece. Correct. International Affairs for St. Mary's College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Shehbaz Sharif.
Shehbaz Sharif.
PM of Pakistan. Correct. Physics for Ardenne. Give the full name for that property of a material measured by the temperature change when a given quantity of heat is applied to a fixed quantity of material.
To a fixed quantity. So, heat capacity.
All right.
Heat capacity.
Heat capacity.
Where we think we wanted specific heat capacity. Physics, St. Mary's College. In applied thermodynamics, what is the conventional meaning of the symbol with uppercase C and subscript lowercase letter V?
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity.
No, specific heat capacity at constant volume. Sport, a visual one for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
You know that? I'll give him somebody.
Martin Sanchez.
Martin Sanchez.
No, Fernando Alonso, Formula One driver, Sport, St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Max Verstappen.
Max Verstappen.
No, Sebastian Vettel, also a Formula One driver. Spanish for Ardenne. What weather condition is El Granizo?
Granizo. That's like snowing. All right. Snowing.
Snowing.
No, hail. Spanish, St. Mary. What weather condition is La Niebla?
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Fog. Judges, theatre and cinema, a visual one for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this late Jamaican theatre pantomime writer.
Is that Lena Forbes?
Give him somebody. Come.
Katerina Jones.
Katerina Jones.
No, it's Barbara Gluda, theatre and cinema, St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify this late Jamaican actor.
Valier Johnson.
Valier Johnson.
No, funny man, Randy Williams. Information technology, Ardenne. A computer uses what type of number system to calculate and store data?
Number system.
Is it binary?
Binary.
That's right. Infotech for St. Mary. What is the name of the basic units of an Excel spreadsheet where we enter data?
Cell.
Cell.
Correct. Music and audio for Ardenne. Listen to the following clip. Identify the artiste.
You want to let me roll me, you want me say down lovely the two and we are one.
Come, move that.
Dennis Brown.
No, it's Tony Rebel. Fresh vegetable music for St. Mary. Listen to the following clip. Identify the duo.
Shaka Demus and Pliers.
Shaka Demus and Pliers.
No, it's Tonto Metro and Devante. Everyone falls in love. Literature, Ardenne. Who wrote the book Murder on the Orient Express?
Agatha Christie.
Good. Literature, St. Mary's College. Who wrote the book The Hound of the Baskervilles?
Arthur Conan Doyle.
Arthur Conan Doyle.
Sir Arthur, correct. Jamaican heritage. In which Jamaican cultural dance form is the use of the instrument benta important?
Bento.
Maple.
I know Dinky Minnie. Jamaican heritage for St. Mary's College. In which Jamaican cultural dance form are persons dressed in costumes such as king and queen, cowhead, and red Indian?
John Kunu.
That's right. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Ardenne High and St. Mary's College High neck and neck on 4 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.